Hello friends. Ashok Medicare, a healthcare brand owned by Ashok Group of Belgaum, Karnataka, has developed a low-cost, portable and movable swab collection booth. We have included a lot of technical features into this booth to make the life of healthcare workers easier. The body of this booth is made of high-strength polycarbonate sheets. These are resistant to heat, UV radiation and chemicals. We have given an extended bench where swab collection box can be kept. We have provided a sanitizing sink which includes a very high pressure nozzle. The sanitizer will come out in the form of mist and will be helpful in sanitizing the gloves after each patient. We have provided a speaker which can be operated using a microphone placed inside the isolated box. This will be helpful in giving proper instruction to the patients about the swab collection procedure. We have included 4 locking wheels. These will be helpful in moving the booth and locking it at the desired location. This product will boost the safety of healthcare workers and will reduce the manpower and PPE kit requirements. We have provided a foot-operated door opener on outside as well as inside so that cross-contamination can be avoided. Let's see this innovative piece from inside. Exhaust fan has been added to avoid suffocation. There is a light bulb so that samples can also be collected in night. All the electronic devices have been placed in this small compact box. There is a foot operated paddle which will be helpful to run the mist nozzles placed in the sanitizing sink outside. There is a microphone present here which is connected to a speaker outside. Long length gloves have been provided so that samples can be collected with ease and gloves can be sanitized after each patient. नेक्स्ट फेस मास्क उतारिए, मुंह खोलिए प्लीज़. ओके, थैंक यू. पीछे जाइए. मेंटेन 3 feet डिस्टेंस प्लीज़. Now I am pressing the foot pedal and the mist nozzles will operate. After 15 seconds, we can start taking next sample. This product is dedicated by Ashok Medicare to all the frontline healthcare workers who are leading our nation's fight against coronavirus. Thank you.